What's up, everybody? We're here at the Active Home Challenge. This is Monday, April 27th. Hey, today we got something really fun for you. A little bit of sock basketball. All you're gonna need is 2 balled up socks, preferably clean, these are clean, and you're gonna need a basket. Now, I use a little fabric basket. You can use cardboard, you can use whatever you want. Let me introduce you to my helpers. As we all know, I have O-Town over here, ready in the flash shirt, ready to get some basketball in here, and I have AP, ready to make some hoops, make some buckets. All right, you guys ready? All right, remember the rules. You do 3 jumping jacks, take your 2 shots, keep track of your score. All right, I'm going to help them out and retrieve them for them, and then at the end of 1 minute, we're going to see who has the most baskets. All right, here we go. All right, folks, AP's on his line. I've got a line for him. He's not going to cross that line. He's going to make his 3 jumping jacks, go for his 2 shots. I'm going to retrieve them, and he's going to go. He's got 1 minute. AP, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's ready. All right, let's start that timer in 3, 2, 1, go!
2, 3, okay, shoot.
All right. That's right. That's right. Go. Get it. Okay, go back. 3 more jumping jacks.
3 more jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3.
That's right. He's got 1 now.
Okay,
All right.
got 1. Get him.
Okay, get him.
2, 3. Oh. He got it. Go, get him.
Get him. Oh. Getting close.
This is actually not a bad thing.
That's all right.
Okay, get
All right,
him.
you still got 2. He's good.
You got 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
Nice.
10, 9.
That's right.
8,
Get him.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost at the buzzer. All right, 3. Outstanding. And it's tough, right? You notice, right? We got a pretty low ceiling up here. That could be pretty tough, but I think he did a great job. All right, let's give a round of applause for AP. Very nice. All right, O-Town. Are you ready? No.
He's not. Not ready.
Yes, I am.
Okay. O-Town's on his line. Set 1 minute on the timer. Boom, it's already set. Good. Here we go. Remember, 3 jumping jacks, make a shot. You ready?
Yeah.
In 3. You gonna press play? Awesome. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Almost. All right, get in there. That's right. Takes a little bit. You gotta get your rhythm. All right. That's all right. Hey, the first 2, those, you gotta get those out of the way. There we go. He's back in it. All right, he's got 1. Good. All right, here we go. He's in it. It's okay. I'll put him out there.
60.
There you go. That's all right.
1, 2, 7, 6.
You got time.
Come on.
At the buzzer! Oh, that deserves that little. I gotta play that horn thing. That was beautiful. At the buzzer. All right, outstanding. All right, my turn.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Gotta stretch out a little bit.
How many did Adam have?
3, 5, and now I have to shoot from the wall.
What if we get 7 too?
What if I get 7? I don't know. You mean
each time.
what happens when I get 7?
Yeah.
Oh!
What?
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go. Easy. Oh.
2 shots. All right, come back.
He's gonna make it all of them. He is. Look. Okay. Oh. Now it's a game.
Okay, if I get number 2, that's officially my favorite number. Oh,
All right.
Hey, that's 3.
I'm up to 3.
You totally got beat me. That's 3. 2. Come on,
Go.
don't beat me. No. No.
5.
No.
All right. Okay.
Come on, time, run out. Run out.
2, 3.
This is too easy, Red. No. Oh.
Oh, 6.
Get 7. Get 7.
I'm trying.
Miss one shot, okay? Just get 1. 7. Okay, you're good. Yes.
Oh, 7.
I told you.
Nice.
Yeah.
3, 5, 7. For you math folks out there, what's that rule?
Added by 2.
Added by 2. Outstanding. Hey, hopefully you do this at home and you have as much fun as we did. It's a lot of fun running back and forth, getting those jumping jacks in there. Hey, if you liked it, fantastic. If you want to video yourself, remember, hashtag Active Home Challenge. Thanks, Gopher Sports, for getting this together. Hey, this is Mr. C, O-Town, and AP signing off. We'll see you tomorrow for another Active Home Challenge.